In this bad situation, most of the people are losing their jobs due to various reasons, I think so. If you want to earn extra cash from any corner of the world by using your computer or your phone, this video will be great helpful for you. So step by step this video. Before starting this video, I cordially request to subscribe my channel and click the bell button to get all types of notifications from here. On the other hand, if you want to get such types of videos, please keep watching, and if you appreciate my videos, please like, comment, share more and more with your friends. So let's get started. Today I want to share about 12 amazing websites to start your earning from any corner of this world by spending your time for ensuring earning extra cash from any corner of the world. There are lots of freelancing websites online. So if you want to earn as a freelancer or as a beginner, or on the other hand as a client, you can earn or you can complete all types of projects from 12 websites altogether. So step by step keep watching this video. First one is Upwork.com. This one is fantastic and professional marketplace for any types of freelancer. So you can start your earning by providing your services such types of graphic designer, web designer, data analytics. On the other hand, lots of jobs are available on Upwork.com. First of all, you have to create your account after coming on this platform, I mean Upwork.com. Providing all the informations, you will get a project, and after completing the first project, second project, third project, altogether more and more, you will be able to earn extra cash from your completed project from Upwork.com. So you can earn much more. As you can see here, this guy has earned also $30,000 from this Upwork.com, and on the other hand takes a commission for each project. You get anywhere from 5%. This one is second website, I think, Fiverr.com. If you want to earn as a beginner, I suggest you to start your profile on Fiverr.com. You can provide your service from $5 to $5,000 at anyhow. So first of all, you have to create your account on Fiverr.com, and then third one is called Etsy. Are you crafty? If you are artistic and are the type of person who can make custom jewelry or refrigerator magnets with the best of them, Etsy is the place to sell your products. For the rest of us, we must find another website to go to so we can earn money to buy things from the crafty entrepreneurs at Etsy. Next is called TaxRabbit. Are you willing to get your hands dirty? People come to the site to find those willing to do various taxes from them, such as putting together a bookcase or running an errand for them. Do as many taxes as you want, and this could become quite the part-time job. So next one is called Wonder. You can provide your service on this particular website, I think Wonder.com, and you can earn extra cash from this website easily from any corner of the world. Next one is called TradeUp, with the tagline second-hand clothes, first-hand fun. This e-commerce company appeals to 35 tips looking to make money and sell their cutting or for cash. This one is amazing website, and I think this is unique website to provide your service for extra cash from any corner of the world. Next one is called Swap. This one is trusted website like TradeUp, and you can earn from this website. I think first of all you have to create your account on this swap.com. Next one is Gazelle. If you have an old cell phone or another device, you can sell your electronics here. The website will give you a cash offer for your devices. If you agree, you will be sent packaging materials. Gazelle pays the shipping costs, and you will wait for check in the email gift card to be sent or cash transferred to your PayPal account. So if you don't have any PayPal account, please open a PayPal account for ensuring your withdrawal amount of money from this gadget. Next one is card pull. This is a popular site for selling gift cards. Maybe some of the gift cards you got last Christmas you set around unused, and you can also use this cardpull.com. Next one is called Upper Up. If you don't have the energy to hold a year sale, Upper Up may be the next best thing after you take a picture of what you have and put down a price. Hopefully somebody nearby will see. Next one is Naver. Do you have storage space in your house or maybe an empty garage to storage sheet? You could sign up to Naver.com and offer to store your neighbor's stuff. It's not like Airbnb for the self-storage industry. You don't pay a dime and set your own prices. So you can set your prices whatever you like. Next one is Mars by Amazon. Amazon is worldwide best e-commerce website. You can buy or sell any types of product by using this Mars by Amazon. So I cordially request to create an account on this Amazon for ensuring extra cash from any corner of the world. So these are the final 12 websites to earn extra cash by using a computer. Or on the other hand, if you increase your skill day by day, or if you are a professional, these are the best websites to earn more and more for long time. First one is Upwork.com, second one is Fiverr.com, third one is Etsy.com, fourth one is TaxRabbit.com, Wonder.com, Treetop.com, Swap.com, Gazelle.com, and Cardpull.com, OfferUp.com, Naver.com, Mars by Amazon. So thanks for watching my videos till then. I cordially request to subscribe my channel. If you didn't subscribe before, please like, comment, share more and more with your family members and friends. Also, if you want to get such types of videos, please stay connected with Make Money Online for ensuring extra cash from online. So I'll catch you guys in my next video. Till then, take care.